Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of archaeometallurgy, a field where archaeology meets materials science to unlock secrets of the past through ancient metals. It's about understanding the entire journey of metal, from digging ore out of the ground to crafting objects, using them, trading them, and eventually discarding or recycling them. This journey tells us so much about ancient technology, economies, social structures, and how different cultures interacted. Think about how metalworking began. Early humans used native metals like copper, which they could shape directly. But the real game changer was smelting, figuring out how to extract metal from ore using intense heat. This wasn't simple. It required understanding temperature control, finding the right fuel like charcoal, and building furnaces, evolving from basic pits to complex bloomery furnaces for iron. These bloomeries produced a spongy mass called a bloom, which needed lots of hammering to purify and shape. Another leap forward was alloying, mixing metals together. Bronze, made from copper and tin, was harder and more durable than pure copper, revolutionizing tools and weapons. Later, adding carbon to iron created steel, another massive technological step. How do we know all this? Archaeometallurgists use several techniques. Metallography involves looking at a metal artifact's internal structure under a microscope. This reveals how it was cast, hammered for strength, heated for softness, or alloyed. We can see specific crystal patterns that tell the story of its creation. Slag analysis is also key. Slag, the waste product from smelting, traps bits of ore, fuel, and furnace material. Analyzing it tells us about the ores used, the temperatures reached, and how efficient the process was. Sometimes, researchers even use experimental archaeology, trying to replicate ancient techniques themselves to understand the challenges ancient metalworkers faced. Metals, especially valuable ones like tin, gold, and silver, were vital trade goods, often traveling huge distances. Archaeometallurgy helps us map these ancient trade routes. Chemical composition analysis, often using portable X-ray fluorescence or XRF, identifies the elements in an artifact without damaging it. This chemical fingerprint can be compared to known ore sources. Even more powerful is isotopic analysis. Elements have variants called isotopes, and their ratios vary geographically based on geology. Lead isotope analysis is a classic example. It acts like a geological fingerprint, pinpointing the mining region where the metal originated. Similar analysis can be done with tin or copper isotopes. Recent discoveries using these methods are incredible. For example, lead ingots found in a Bronze Age shipwreck near Israel had Cypriot markings, suggesting they came from Cyprus. But isotopic analysis showed the lead was actually mined in Sardinia, over 1,500 miles away. This revealed complex Mediterranean trade networks we didn't know about, where Cypriots might have traded their copper for Sardinian lead, rebranded it, and shipped it east. Analysis has also confirmed that tin from Britain made its way to the eastern Mediterranean during the late Bronze Age. Archaeometallurgy is constantly evolving. Researchers now look beyond individual artifacts to entire production landscapes, the mines, smelting sites, workshops, and settlements involved. This gives a broader picture, including the social organization of metal production. There's also more integration with other fields, combining metal data with studies of pottery, textiles, and even ancient texts for a holistic view. Non-destructive analysis methods are becoming more popular, allowing study without damaging precious artifacts. And the field is expanding globally, revealing diverse metalworking traditions, from extensive iron production in West Africa starting around the 8th century CE, to sophisticated gold and copper work by the Moche and Inca in the Americas long before Europeans arrived. By carefully studying the metal remnants of the past, archaeometallurgy continues to shed light on human ingenuity, ancient connections, and the profound ways metals have shaped our history. Thanks for listening.